A new leak reveals that OnePlus will also adopt the Pro Max branding for its upcoming performance-focused flagship. Images reveal a retail box image of the OnePlus Ace 6 Pro Max. The device will be available in flash black, electric purple, and shadow green. The moniker suggests that it will offer superior performance compared to the Snapdragon 8 Elite-powered OnePlus Ace 6, which debuted in China last month. It is likely that the Ace 6 Pro Max may debut soon as the world's first Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 phone. The device will feature 12GB or 16GB LPDDR5X RAM with or 1TB UFS 4.1 storage options. It is said to feature a 6.7-inch OLED screen that supports a 1.5K resolution and a 165Hz refresh rate. It may feature a 32-megapixel front camera and a 50-megapixel main camera plus 8-megapixel ultra-wide dual-camera system. It is expected to arrive with an 8,000 mAh battery with 100W charging support. The Ace 6 Pro Max may launch in the early 3,000 Chinese yuan range. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.